Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon DIY here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this water pressure gun that I ended up getting to replace an older one that I had on my pressure washer. And so I have been using it for a few weeks now, and I wanted to give a quick review basically on the quality, what I think about this water pressure gun, and whether you should buy it or not. There's going to be a link in the description below for you to get one for yourself. Again, it's on Amazon. You use that link down below. It's very, very helpful to this channel and much appreciated. So you have multiple pieces that you're going to put together. This is the first piece that screws right in, and then of course you have the final piece that's going to come all the way at the end, and this is where the water is going to shoot out from, and where you have your bracket that you can actually place your fitments on for the different levels or the different openings so that you can get different pressure with the water that's coming out. One of the things I noticed right away about this product was its high quality material, and overall usability was excellent. I really was happy with all the pieces that I got. The instructions were very clear. There was nothing lacking with what was in the box. And now you also have these pieces. These are the different fitments that you can use. So you can swap these out to get different types of pressure for different projects that you may be doing. You might need something that's a little bit more powerful, something that's a little bit more spread out. And you also have this holder that comes in the box, and that will hold all of the pieces. All right, so now it's time to use it. I have put it all together and I have everything that I need. You have some miscellaneous parts that come in the box just in case you need them. You have some different fitments, and I do actually end up needing to use a fitment. Now this is a hose that I got actually on Amazon as well, and so this fitment is the one that I ended up using. It's the extender, so you end up being able to connect one way or another to whatever hose you have available. So as I've said, I've been using this pressure washer gun on my pressure washer for the past few weeks. It has been way better than my old one and is a very high quality product. I highly recommend it. I hope this review was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe.